What's up, everyone? Today, we're diving deep into a truck that's been generating a ton of buzz. The new Toyota Tacoma with the iForce Max hybrid powertrain. Is this the game-changing midsize truck we've all been waiting for, or is it just a lot of hype? We're going to break it all down, from the real-world pros and cons to whether it is actually a smart buy for your hard-earned money. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about what makes the iForce Max so special. This isn't your typical eco-focused hybrid. Toyota has engineered this system for power. We're talking a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, cranking out a massive 326 horsepower and an even more impressive 465 pound-feet of torque. That torque figure is huge for this class. It means instant power right when you step on the gas, which is fantastic for towing, off-roading, or just merging onto the highway with confidence. Forget the sluggish reputation of older hybrids. This thing is designed to perform. So, let's get to the pros. The biggest pro is obviously that performance. The power delivery is smooth and immediate, making the truck feel incredibly responsive. Now, for the cons, and this is where we need to be realistic. The number one concern for many potential buyers is the price. The hybrid powertrain is only available on the more expensive trims, like the TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, and Limited. This pushes the price tag up significantly. You're looking at a starting point well into the $50,000 range, and it can climb quickly from there. For a mid-sized truck, that's a serious investment. The second con is fuel economy. You hear hybrid, and you immediately think of amazing gas mileage. But remember, this is a performance-oriented hybrid. While it is an improvement over the old V6, the official EPA numbers might not be as high as some people hope. In real-world driving, especially if you have a heavy foot and are enjoying all that torque, you might not see a massive difference in your fuel bill. You're trading some efficiency for a whole lot more power. So, let's do a real buyer breakdown. Who is this truck actually for? If you're a current Tacoma owner who loves the brand's reliability but has been craving more power in modern tech, the iForce Max is a dream come true. It's the upgraded, powerful, and modern Tacoma you've been waiting for. It's also perfect for the serious off-roader or overlander who needs that low-end torque for crawling over obstacles, and will make use of the available onboard power from the hybrid system to run gear at a campsite. However, if your primary goal is to save the most money possible, both on the initial purchase and at the gas pump, this might not be the right choice. A lower trim, non-hybrid Tacoma, or even a competitor's truck, might offer a better value proposition for your specific needs. You have to ask yourself, am I willing to pay a premium for top-tier performance and technology in a mid-size package? In conclusion, the Toyota Tacoma iForce Max is an incredible piece of engineering. It's powerful, capable, and finally brings the Tacoma into the modern era. But that progress comes at a price. It's not the budget-friendly workhorse it once was. It's a premium lifestyle and performance truck. It has a fantastic choice if you value power and capability above all else and have the budget for it. But for the more value-conscious buyer, the high cost of entry is a serious hurdle to consider. What do you guys think? Is the new hybrid Tacoma worth the premium price? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world truck reviews. See you in the next one.